Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I have a very easy tutorial for you guys. If you guys like a one color tutorial, this would be it for you guys. So I am taking Ideal Pink. It's one of their cover pinks. I think that's what it's called. I have the colors at the end this time for you guys. And I am just putting this all over my nail to kind of even out the different gels that I have on my nails. So I don't know if you can see my middle finger and my ring finger. You can see I have natural fiber because I made pointed nails this time. And I blended into clear. So I had like prepped everything beforehand. And now I'm coming in and just evening out the color best as I can. I do find that this method is like a very light pink and white, just because you have that natural still peeking through at the tip, like where the light's gonna hit you. So it is slightly, when I mean slightly, don't count this as a pink and white. You could probably figure out how to do a pink and white this way, but I like the color it came out, which is pretty much the full pink. And so again, I am just taking this all over the nail and evening it out, and I will let you finish the pinky on your own because I talk a lot. Well, maybe not. It's only like 5 more seconds and then I get to the thumb. So I'll see you after that. Right, now we're taking one step. So this is where you're going to see a lot more of the pink color come in. And I love this. I said, I think in one of my recent hauls that I haven't used this yet. And this is the first time I'm using the pink one step. And man, is it just as pretty in the jar as it is on your nails. Look at how pretty that is. It just gives me so much feels. So I did do a slip layer, and then I kind of came in with a larger ball, and I am just floating it down the nail, kind of tucking in the sides. You'll see me pulling the sides a lot more than the middle, because I want the product to stay in the middle and I want to drag the sides down. Does that make sense? That way you don't have like side bulges. You just kind of have that nice kind of rounded look. So I'm gonna go ahead and repeat these on all of the nails, curing each time for 30 seconds. And I will let you watch this because I keep it all in real time. So we have filed, buffed, all that good stuff. I didn't put tack down because I'm not doing a buttercream. I am doing crystal glitter gel, and I love this so much. I don't know if you could see there where it's kind of tiny bit like a pink and white. Not that you can see it now because it's totally out of focus, but you know what I mean. You can sort of see it's a little bit pink and white, but not really, but kind of. Yeah, I love this so much, and I put these all over the nails. I'm still wearing them now. I have purple shampoo, so they're a little bit more tinged purple than pink at the moment, but I just love them so much. So I will go ahead and let you finish this out. I cure this and then do a top coat. So thank you guys so much for watching. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye-bye.